got the new 8-inch awesome HP compact chainsaw from Ryobi. We're going to be testing it out today. This is a lot of work. Hang around. My name's Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Here we go. Ryobi came out with this awesome, it just hit stores, HP, which is the brushless, intelligent, really good motor compact chainsaw. This is the 8-inch. It's oilless. It cost 150 bucks. I bought mine in store. I've got it racked up with a 12 amp hour battery. If you know, that's the biggest and the baddest 18 volt 1+ battery that's out there. Now this does have onboard tools right here, as you can see that. This is a 203 millimeter chain. This is a full-size chain. It's a pretty bad little chain. Being that's oilless, I did put some oil on this, and it does have the guard right here, and this actually helps kind of, if you're pruning, push that branch down over top of it. Some people like it, some people don't. Yeah, I'm indifferent. It's okay. But I've got the right slack in the chain. Everything's working out, and today I'm going to show you how this performs. Now this is the maximum size, as you can see, saw. Actually probably a little bit bigger and where I'm cutting it. So this is right around a 7-inch. This says this can do 6, but it's an 8-inch bar, so why not? Let's give it a shot. I'm gonna put this to the test. This is a frozen birch tree, so we're really gonna see how this performs at probably a little bit more than what I'm supposed to do, or that it's advertised for. Not bad, did all right. Let's do another one. It cut just fine. I've got to tell you, I'm actually impressed for how small that this thing is. Now, I don't need this big giant battery on here, but I just really like it. If it makes sense, you know what? I'm going to put a 6 amp hour, and let's see how it does with a 6 amp hour battery. That's the more common battery that's on the market. Now, it's about 28 degrees, maybe 30, so we're still below freezing, but we have direct sunlight. But this is still super cold, super hard, and that's kind of the worst case scenario that you can cut with this. It's giving you a real life test on what you can expect in worst case scenario for this bad boy. Let's go. Let me explain to you something right now. This right here, as you can see, I went the full depth of this blade. Now, the big thing about chainsaws are you gotta let them do the work. Now, you just pull down this little lever here. You hit that, and that is what matters, is you gotta let it do the work. You gotta let the intelligence of the motor start to crank up, really put out the power. Now, I did that full depth cut on a frozen birch tree with a 6 amp hour battery. It's a fully charged 6 amp hour battery. I don't know what to say. I'm super happy and thrilled that it was able to do it, and I wasn't embarrassed on camera. I do gotta say a couple things about this is, it has a heat sink in here, so it does have a nice little radiator. So for all you electronics people, this is a heat sink, and for just about everybody else that is in the trades, it's got a little radiator that's in there. I'm super happy about this. I can't tell you how thrilled I am that this did not let me down. Fine, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. This bad boy right here is 150 bucks at Home Depot right now. You can go pick it up for the tool only, and it is worth it for a little pruning. So if you're a hunter or anything like that, you throw this on your back. It does have a chain guard on it too. You can do whatever you need to get through the woods. that you don't have to get on a machete all the time. I hope to see you on the next video. Get out there, go build something, go do something special, make your mistakes. But you got to learn from those mistakes, then pass it on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it at the end of the day. I hope that you enjoyed this. See you in the next video.